Hey, so here's our 2015 Vengeance 320A. As you can see, good looking camper. We'll go around the side here. Beautiful camper, beautiful decals. Here's the one wheel I was talking about. Let's go. This unit is equipped with a power awning, fireplace, LED lights above it, stereo system, all LED lighting. Very beautiful Thomas & Paine couch. Nice refrigerator, beautiful decor. Big garage in the back.
Go up to the bedroom.
Plenty of storage for your clothes. Second AC in the bedroom. And the other AC is in the main living part. Corner shower. Stainless steel sink. Beautiful bathroom. You've got 2 access doors to the bathroom. The Vengeance 320A